Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy, Kenny versus Poverty, and today I want to show you what I got in the mail.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
I know what's supposed to be in here, right? Let me give you guys the backstory. So, as I've been telling you, getting back into the shoe game, right? And I'm trying to figure out, I'm trying to consume as much information I can to ensure that my journey back to where I once was and even surpassing those levels can be successful. So I'm consuming information, I'm reading links, I'm hitting Twitter links, I'm subscribing to YouTube channels, following Instagram pages. I'm doing all of the stuff to get right back tapped in to this current culture of the shoe game. So I'm getting tapped into the shoe game in November, right? As you know, what's in November? Thanksgiving for a lot of people, but for anybody that's in consumer business, Black Friday is a part of November. I didn't even think, it didn't even come to my head. I've seen it on a random post inside of a Discord group that GOAT has features and things, special events that they do for Black Friday. So I finally learned, and I'm lightly following along. I'm trying to get the process down, how to click the button, what's supposed to happen. And I realized that for I want to say 5 days before Black Friday, they were doing drops, like Jordan drops, but they're doing drops for merch, exclusive shoes, hoodies, t-shirts, stuff like that. I think I seen a bicycle on there. It was crazy. But anyways, they're doing these drops like every hour, all throughout the day. I finally get the hang of it, guys, and I hit on a drop. I got some Nikes on a GOAT drop that for $125 plus shipping and handling, taxes and everything, I think I paid a little under $150 for some Nikes that currently sell for over $200. That's what's supposed to be in this box. Hopefully it is like they said it was, because this is my first experience and interaction with GOAT. So hopefully the shoes are both. The box is in good condition. The shoes are brand new, everything like that. Now, I want to say before I move on to unboxing the shoes, I almost had the special edition Cause collaboration with the Jordan 4. When I'm telling you, they wanted $399 plus shipping and handling and everything, but all of my money was so consumed and tied up with the other shoe investments I had did, I literally could have squeezed the blood out of every shoe that I had bought up to that moment. Because as you should know, I'll insert in the video, the Cause 4's last sale was over $3,000. So if I could have got some shoes for, let's say, $400 to $500 and sold them for $3,000, that would have been a very, very Merry Christmas. But
$2,500.
I'll take what I can get, and let's get into the unboxing, guys. So for starters, this is how they packed them. And this is the box. All right. So I see a little wrinkle on the box there and a little ding there, but nothing too serious. Nothing too serious. I mean, you know. Now I do see something I don't traditionally see. I see this sticker here. I don't know what this sticker means or what it's for. And I see a little scrape there and a hole punch here. So, no, a little scary, guys. It's a little scary. Let's open them up. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all see them? Ooh. Now Let's look at the bottom.
Look at the middle.
Do you guys see anything on the bottom? Anything that says that these shoes are worn or torn or sworn in any type of way?
Look at the bubble.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Check the other one.
That shoe is insane.
What you guys think of these? They're called the Air Max Plus Triple Black. These are the triple black Air Max Plus. And so far, this is what they look like. What's going on, guys? We have a Nike brand unboxing. So what are these? So as we should know now, first of all, man, let's just appreciate the quality on the Jordan box alone. But what we have to grow to learn and understand is that these black boxes are strategically for the Jordan 1s. So these joints look big, but the bottom, man, boy, the linens are crazy. They're crazy.
Look at the Nike Air joint.
These are some wild boys, man. These right here, look at the tongue. Look at the tongue on it. Man, these are crazy. These are some fly tennis shoes, man. These are some fly. Look, I done took y'all back. These some fly tennis shoes, brother. Listen here, yo. And this is, I thought this was suede, but it's not. It's leather.
Definitely.
All of the linen color is leather, and the only suede on the shoe is this area. Yeah, I would.
I'll rock them.
Man, come on, man. These are straight. These are straight fire. You guys, the Jordan 1 linens are fire. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Look, all of the shoes to me, but the ones that I'm getting, these are fire.
Look at the way they made the holes on the shoe.
Right. Yeah, these are them.
It goes middle and wing.
Yeah. All right, y'all. What y'all think of the Jordan 1 linens? Let me know. All right, we out.